Hey guys, wanted to do a little video for you on some real healthy stuff. Real healthy stuff. Now I have a ½ pound of onions and peppers in here, and I have some beautiful fresh garlic I put in. I also threw in some granulated beautiful garlic. Remember, I'm going to be seasoning this a little extra. And we're going to be doing a little saute of garlic, of turkey, and instead of oil, I'm going to use some turkey turkey broth. Okay, so this is going to go in here, guys. This recipe is going to be a 400 calorie beautiful food source for you. Okay, so again, we're replacing any oils. We don't need oils, it's a non-stick. Fresh garlic, got some beautiful vegetables. Putting about a cup of turkey broth. Okay, I skimmed the fat. Also, just to show you, this here was some legs and backs that I picked. Okay, all no bone. Beautiful meat, right? 8 ounces is 260 calories. Very important. And I measured out, okay, 8 ounces. Put my 8 ounces in here. And this dish is pretty much ready. I'm going to do a little salt, pepper. If you want to add a little bit of spice, you can add a little spice. But guys, you're talking about a beautiful dish with short calories. If anybody out there is looking to lose some weight, this here is a little bit of cumin. You can use a little bit of chili seasoning if you want. Remember, you can make things flavorsome, and a little bit more flavor doesn't hurt. It'll make it taste that much more. Okay, and that's about it. So here is a turkey with beautiful homemade broth, all whole foods, and again a 400 calorie dish. That'll make you feel good after you eat it. Okay, and I eat this a couple of times a day. As 800 calories, I have my fruit for 80 calories. I have my coffees, which is for 60 calories, and working 1,000 calorie deficit diet to lose some poundage. Alright guys, thumbs up. Give this a shot. So again, my seasonings: garlic, fresh garlic, onions, peppers. I have turkey and turkey broth, right? No oil, no fat beside natural fat from the chicken broth. And a little salt, pepper to taste. I add a little cumin. It's actually they call it a Mexican street corn, but its ingredient is cumin, right? And that's it. And enjoy. Let that go right to your cells. Nice. All right, guys.